So let's talk about depreciation. Depreciation is always a fun topic that people get pretty excited about. So we're going to make it real simple. The first depreciable asset we're going to talk about is for our Schedule C business here, our landscaping business. So how you do depreciation is very simple. Within each business activity, you're going to access the depreciation module. So I'm going to go into landscape. I'm going to go into my expenses. It's always going to be under your expenses, and I'm not going to double click on contract labor. And in here, you're going to see over here on the left hand side in the Schedule C, depreciation. So I'm going to click on our depreciation. I'm going to single click the depreciation module, click OK, and I'm going to click new. We've got a new asset. It may be old, but we're entering it for the first time. What is it? It's our lawn mower. And it's 10 of 10, and it cost us $3,500. It's one of those nice John Deere riding mowers. I don't know what those actually cost, but we'll say it's $3,500. And the accumulated depreciation that we have so far is $1,500, and we're going to select our depreciation method. If you click on the drop down, it's going to give you a little more explanation, and we're going to call it, I think the best one would be agricultural equipment. The other cool thing is you can actually create your own asset classes and your own depreciation categories under configuration settings. So if you have something that's not captured in here or captured in the way that you would like, we can actually set up your own setting, which is very nice. I'm going to click OK, and we are done. That is as difficult as it is. There's our depreciation expense for the year. Tells us next year. We click exit and exit, and there's our 437. So let's do something a little bit more fun. Let's get out of here and let's get into our let's say we've got a Schedule E property, single family residence that we're going to depreciate. So I've got my Schedule E. I'm going to click on that guy. Oops. Click the wrong thing. Nope. We're going to do our Schedule E. So let's start out by clicking rents and royalties. We're going to add in a property real quick, I should say. 288 East Street, 65. Alright, rental income, we're going to say it was $3,150. Keep it real low rent district here. Alright, so again, 1099s in a Schedule E, like I showed you in Schedule C, are within the actual schedule. So Schedule C, E, F, the 1099s are going to be, if you're attaching that to that activity, you need to go inside the actual activity. But our depreciation is what we're talking about, so we're going to click on expenses. We're going to click on depreciation. Click on depreciation module. Click OK. And we're going to click new. So under here, we're going to put in the house. You could put in a description here. I don't remember what the address was we used, but you could go ahead and type that in. And it cost us $135,000. And the accumulated depreciation to date was, I'm just making it up, $12,500. Now under depreciation method, we're going to select the 27.5 years. Go ahead and click OK. And wham bam, thank you ma'am, there's our depreciation expense for the year. There's our depreciation expense for the next year. Very, very straightforward, very, very easy to use. If it were a disposition of the asset, you sold it, whatever the case may be, you click that yes, and it will take you to the correct place. Your Section 179 right there, bonus depreciation, all that good stuff, right at your fingertips. So that's how you do depreciation for assets in a Schedule C as well as in your Schedule E. So hope that was helpful, and keep watching the videos.